Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into the town of Montego Bay, and Montego Bay is the second largest, well, it's the second city in Jamaica. The Sangster International Airport is located in Montego Bay, and that is the largest and busiest airport in Jamaica. So we're on another coastal highway headed into Montego Bay. Now Montego Bay has basically everything from hospitals to colleges, universities, everything that you can find in Kingston, you can find in Montego Bay as well. It has very nice neighborhoods. It has downtown Montego Bay. Okay, on the right is some construction going on for the expansion of the runway at the airport, the Sangster International Airport. Alright, so we're now entering the actual town of Montego Bay. If we turn left, we'd go over the hill, and if we turn right, we would go on to Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. Also, if we go right, we can head to the Sangster International Airport. Alright, so we're going to drive into the airport. Take a quick drive through. Now this is the largest airport in Jamaica, and and it's also the busiest airport. And this airport connects basically Negril, Ocho Rios, Falmouth. This is where most of the tourists fly in. If you want to go to Negril, stay in Montego Bay, Falmouth, Runaway Bay, Discovery Bay, Ocho Rios, Portland. This is the airport they would use. So a lot of tourists use this airport. So now this section is the departure area. Straight ahead, you go through those doors to go into the departure area or the departure lounge. Here you can see a very nice Montego Bay and Sangster International sign. Sign is very nice, but this airport could do with some fixing up, some renovating and letting it look more modern. This now is the arrival area, so you see all the buses and taxis lined up to carry the persons to the different airports. Also, they have a lot of rental cars here, but now even look at this departure, this arrival area. You can tell it hasn't been renovated in years. Need to fix it up, man. This is the first place tourists are going to see when they come to Jamaica. It really needs some fixing up. Okay, straight ahead now is like the hotels that have tour buses waiting on the persons. That's where they would get onto the bus and go to the hotel, and it's a secure area, so you don't have persons bothering the tourists or anything. Alright, so that's the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like the tour of the airport. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.